Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to on vibrate for calls in vivo phone. During calls, how to make your phone to vibrate it. So I just want to teach you about that here. So friends, before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, when to this, you have to go to this thing here, then you have to scroll it down, then you see a sound, so you have to press this one. So you can see it vibrate for calls, so you have to press this one. Always vibrate, you have to press this one, always vibrate. If you want to put your call vibrate during call, so you just need to press this one, this middle one, always vibrate. So you just need to press that one, then the vibrate calls has been set. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to channel, and thanks for watching.